Create a vector silhouette t-shirt design featuring a majestic eagle in profile, set against a glowing orange moon. The eagle's feathers should be intricately detailed in black silhouette, with sharp, defined edges. In the background, add layered mountain peaks and a flock of smaller birds flying across the moon. Use a dark background to enhance the contrast. Add a subtle gradient on the moon to give it a three-dimensional effect. Design a bold vector silhouette for a t-shirt, centered around a powerful eagle with its wings slightly spread, as if ready to take flight. The backdrop should include rugged mountain silhouettes and a large, fiery orange moon partially obscured by clouds. Incorporate a forest of pine trees at the base of the mountains, all in black silhouette. Use a limited color palette, deep black for the silhouettes and warm orange for the moon and highlights. Generate a vector t-shirt design with a dramatic eagle silhouette dominating the foreground. The eagle's head should be turned slightly to the side, showing its sharp beak and intense gaze. Behind it, depicts a surreal landscape, jagged mountain peaks, a dense forest, and a massive orange moon that fills most of the background. Add a few birds in flight to enhance the sense of movement. Use high contrast and clean lines for a striking effect. Design a dynamic vector t-shirt graphic where the eagle is depicted in mid-flight, its wings fully extended. The background features a stylized mountain landscape with sharp, angular lines, and a large, glowing orange moon. Integrate additional elements like flying birds and wispy clouds, all in silhouette form. Use varying shades of black and deep navy to create depth, with pops of orange highlighting the moon and the eagle's outline. Create a t-shirt design that combines a detailed eagle silhouette with an abstract, geometric interpretation of the mountains and moon. The eagle should be in sharp focus in the foreground, while the background elements are rendered in angular shapes and lines. Use a monochromatic black silhouette palette with selective orange highlights on the moon and key details. Create a minimalist yet impactful vector silhouette design for a t-shirt. The central element is a stylized eagle head in profile, rendered in a single, unbroken black line. Behind the eagle, illustrate a simplified mountain range and an oversized orange moon with a subtle texture. Keep the background solid black to emphasize the silhouette. Add small details like stars or clouds around the moon for added interest. Develop a vector silhouette t-shirt design with an eagle perched on a rocky outcrop, overlooking a dramatic mountain range. The moon should be large and prominent in the upper portion of the design, casting an orange glow. Include a few pine trees and flying birds to enrich the scene. Use clean, bold lines in a high-contrast color scheme for a visually striking result. Generate a vector t-shirt graphic that captures the essence of the image but with a modern, geometric twist. The eagle, mountains, and moon should be composed of interlocking shapes and patterns, creating a mosaic-like effect. Use a limited color scheme of black, white, and orange to maintain visual harmony. Add subtle gradients and textures to enhance the design. Design a t-shirt silhouette featuring an eagle with its wings partially spread, set against a stylized mountain range and an oversized orange moon. The entire composition should be rendered in a single, continuous line, creating a striking negative space effect. Use a dark background to accentuate the white line art. Add minimal details like stars or birds to complement the main elements. Create a vector t-shirt design with a dual layer effect, a transparent, lighter silhouette of the eagle, mountains, and moon overlaying a darker, more detailed base layer. The eagle should be the focal point, with its silhouette sharply defined. Use a gradient orange backdrop that fades into black at the edges, creating a vignette effect. Incorporate subtle texture details in the mountains and forest for added depth.